Hey guys, welcome back to Character Rev Workshop. If you're new here, my name is John. If you're not new here, thanks for checking out another video and following me along with my woodworking journey. In this week's episode, what I've got for you guys is a antique style riding slope that one of the co-workers that I worked with wanted. He happens to be a photographer, so the first stages of this build, I have pictures that he took of me making this. And then I go into video of actually making the top and the finishing process and all that. So without further ado, let's get straight into this build. Okay, so the hardest part of building this actual platform for the box was coming up with the two sides at a 15-degree angle that the guy wanted it to angle at. So what I did was I took one piece of wood and I made a diagonal point at 15 degrees and I cut it, and that gave me my two sides. Fairly simple, and if you want more instruction on it, I would be happy to talk about it with you in the comments. Moving on to creating the top, I did this by using Paduke and walnut to give a nice little contrast along with the plywood that I used for the bottom of the box. So the finish that I'm using for this build is Walrus Oil Furniture Finish. It is extremely easy to apply. Then you gotta let it set for 24 to 48 hours, and then after that you get some amazing results with it, and it really transforms this Paduke. And that is all for this week's episode.